Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are currently in the market for a brand new laptop that perfectly balances high-end gaming performance with everyday productivity, and you want to do it all without completely emptying your bank account, then you have absolutely come to the right place today. In this video, we are going to take an incredibly detailed look at a laptop that is currently taking the budget-friendly gaming world by storm. I am talking, of course, about the 2025 model of the Acer Nitro V, specifically the AN V15-52-586Z. This is a machine that is currently sitting very pretty on the Amazon bestsellers list, ranked number 9 in traditional laptop computers, and holding a stellar 4.5 out of 5 stars from hundreds of verified customer reviews. And let me tell you right out of the gate, there is a very good reason why this laptop is so incredibly popular. It packs a 13th generation Intel Core i5 processor, a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics card, and a beautifully smooth 165Hz display into a remarkably sleek chassis. Before we dive into all the juicy details, I do want to give you a quick heads up. If you watch this review and decide that the Acer Nitro V is the perfect fit for your setup, I have gone ahead and left a direct Amazon affiliate link down in the description box and pinned in the top comment. Clicking that link is the absolute best way to check the current pricing, see if there are any special discounts running today, and it also really helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So thank you in advance for that, and let's get right into the ultimate review of the Acer Nitro V. Let us start by talking about the design and the overall build quality of this machine. In the past, gaming laptops were notorious for being these massive, heavy blocks of plastic covered in aggressive red accents and glowing lights that practically screamed, "I play video games." However, the Acer Nitro V takes a much more mature and refined approach. It features a stealthy, all-black exterior in a classic clamshell form factor that looks incredibly professional. This means if you were a college student taking this into a lecture hall or a business professional bringing it into a boardroom for a presentation, it is not going to look out of place. It is subtle, elegant, and beautifully constructed. Despite packing some serious hardware inside, Acer has managed to keep the weight down to just 4.7 pounds, and it measures in at just 0.93 inches thick. That is incredibly impressive for a 15.6-inch gaming laptop, making it highly portable. You can easily slip this right into your everyday backpack without feeling like you're carrying around a brick. When you open the lid, you are greeted by a fantastic keyboard deck. Acer has included a full-sized backlit QEWERT keyboard, complete with a dedicated numeric keypad. If you're someone who works with spreadsheets, does heavy data entry, or if you simply like having extra macro keys for your favorite MMOs and strategy games, having that dedicated numpad is an absolute lifesaver. The keys themselves offer a really satisfying tactile response with great travel distance, making long typing sessions surprisingly comfortable. And the touchpad is large, smooth, and highly responsive to all of your Windows 11 multi-touch gestures. Now, let us move your attention up to the screen, which is quite literally your window into the digital world. The display on this Acer Nitro V is, without a shadow of a doubt, one of its strongest selling points. You're getting a gorgeous 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a native resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. But the real magic here is not just the resolution, it's the refresh rate. This panel boasts a blistering fast 165Hz refresh rate. If you are currently gaming on a standard 60Hz monitor or an older laptop, making the jump to 165Hz is a literal game changer. Everything you do on this laptop, from simply moving your mouse cursor across the desktop to scrolling through heavy web pages, feels incredibly fluid and buttery smooth. But where it truly shines is in competitive gaming. When you boot up fast-paced shooters like Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, or Apex Legends, that high refresh rate gives you a distinct competitive advantage. You see enemy movements sooner, tracking moving targets becomes vastly easier, and the overall system input lag is drastically reduced. Furthermore, the screen gets sufficiently bright for indoor use, maxing out at 300 nits of peak brightness. It also features a matte screen finish, which I absolutely love. Glossy screens can be a nightmare if you have lights behind you or if you're sitting near a sunny window, but this matte finish diffuses those harsh reflections beautifully, allowing you to focus purely on your game or your work. The IPS technology ensures that the colors are vibrant, punchy, and consistent, offering excellent viewing angles whether you're sitting dead center or showing a funny video to a friend sitting next to you. Of course, pushing high frame rates to a 165Hz display requires some serious horsepower under the hood, and Acer definitely didn't hold back here. Powering this beast is the 13th generation Intel Core i5-13420H processor. This is a formidable CPU that features 8 cores and can achieve a maximum turbo boost speed of up to 4.6 GHz. What does that actually mean for you? It means this laptop handles heavy multitasking like an absolute champion. You can have Spotify playing, Discord open, 20 tabs running in Google Chrome, and a demanding application running in the background simultaneously, and this Intel i5 will not even break a sweat. It is more than capable of handling heavy workloads, 1080p video editing, coding, and of course, intense marathon gaming sessions. And speaking of gaming, let's talk about the graphics card. This model is equipped with the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU, packed with 6 GB of GDDR6 video memory. Now you might be thinking, it's an RTX 4050. Is it truly powerful enough? The answer is a resounding yes. Because it's part of NVIDIA's elite RTX 40 series lineup, you get full access to their groundbreaking DLSS 3 and AI-driven frame generation. This is massive for a budget laptop. Frame generation allows the graphics card to use artificial intelligence to essentially predict and create brand new frames, massively boosting your overall frame rate and supported games without compromising on visual quality. You can play incredibly demanding, graphically intense modern titles at high settings, flip on DLSS, and easily maximize that 165Hz display. It's the perfect pairing of CPU and GPU for a laptop in this price tier, ensuring you get a premium gaming experience without paying that premium price tag. Moving on to memory and storage, the Acer Nitro V comes out of the box with 8 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM and a small cavity 512GB Gen 4 NVMe solid-state drive. Let's break that down real quick. The 512GB SSD means you have ample space for your Windows 11 home operating system, your essential applications, and a handful of your favorite massive AAA games. Because it's a Gen 4 drive, the read and write speeds are off the charts. Your system will boot up in mere seconds, your applications will launch almost instantly, and those annoyingly long loading screens in your favorite open-world games will finally be a thing of the past. Now, regarding the 8 GB of DDR5 RAM, DDR5 is the latest generation of memory, meaning it's much faster and more power efficient than the older DDR4 standard. 8 GB is certainly enough to get you up and running right out of the box for daily tasks, student workloads, and moderate gaming. However, modern games are becoming increasingly memory hungry. The absolute best part about this specific laptop is its upgradeability. The system supports up to a massive 32 GB of RAM. My honest advice to you? Use the link in the description to grab this laptop at its incredibly competitive base price right now. Then, down the road, if you ever feel like you need more multitasking power, you can easily open it up and add another stick of RAM yourself. It's a highly cost-effective way to future-proof your investment and ensure this laptop remains a powerhouse for years to come. When it comes to connectivity, Acer has ensured you'll rarely ever need to carry around a bunch of annoying dongles. This laptop is absolutely packed with ports. You're getting a total of 7 ports, including 4 USB ports to handle all your favorite peripherals like external gaming mice, mechanical keyboards, and headsets. Most notably, one of these is a lightning-fast Thunderbolt port, which opens up a world of possibilities for connecting to high-speed external storage drives, multi-monitor docking stations, or even an external graphics card way down the line. You also get a dedicated HDMI video output for easily connecting to an external monitor or your living room TV, and a dedicated gigabit Ethernet port for a rock-solid, lag-free wired connection during intense competitive gaming. On the wireless side of things, it features the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology and Bluetooth 802.1x compatibility, ensuring that even when you're gaming over a wireless connection, you're getting the fastest speeds, the lowest latency, and the most stable connection currently available. Finally, let's touch on battery life and the little extras. Inside, you'll find a 57 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. When you're gaming, you're absolutely going to want to use the included 135-watt AC adapter to ensure the processor and the RTX 4050 are getting full power for maximum performance. However, if you're just taking notes in a classroom, browsing the web, or watching YouTube videos, the battery will easily provide enough juice to get you through a solid chunk of your day. As a really nice bonus, Acer even includes a protective sleeve right in the box, which adds fantastic value and helps keep your laptop safe from scratches when you're on the move. Plus, you're covered by a 1-year International Traveler's Limited warranty, giving you great peace of mind no matter where life takes you. To wrap things up, the Acer Nitro V